Stop building right now. That cheap concrete block foundation you're planning, it's not a shortcut. It's a $4,000 mistake that will sink your container home. Today, we break down why this common method is a guaranteed failure and the one professional support type that saves your money and guarantees zero rust.
Welcome back to Container Curious, your guide to building it right the first time. This is a critical addition to our Builder's Rulebook series. Many builders see concrete blocks as a fast, cheap way to get their container off the ground, but they are falling for a dangerous illusion, one that will cost them thousands in demolition and repair bills down the road. 1. The mistake, the lie of the easy block foundation. The appeal of a concrete block foundation is obvious. It's cheap, you can buy the materials at any hardware store, and it requires no concrete pouring. But here is the fatal flaw. A standard concrete masonry unit, or CMU block, is not an engineered footing. It is designed to be part of a wall, supported by a wide, solid concrete footing beneath it. When you place it directly on the ground, you are using it for a purpose it was never designed for. 2. The consequence. How it sinks and why it fails. Here's what happens next. A 40-foot container weighs over 8,000 pounds. That immense weight is now concentrated onto the sharp, narrow edges of those hollow blocks. The first time it rains, the soil beneath them softens. The blocks begin to sink, always unevenly. One corner drops a half inch, the other stays put. This puts the container's rigid steel frame under constant torsional stress, a force we call racking. Your doors will jam, your windows will crack, and your perfectly level home will begin to twist and warp. The $4,000 mistake is the cost you'll pay a contractor to jack up the container, demolish and haul away your failed blocks, and build the foundation you should have built in the first place. 3. The solution. The professional Pier foundation. The professional lifetime solution is a properly engineered concrete pier. This isn't just a post, it's a system. It starts by digging below the frost line to place a wide concrete footing which spreads the load over a large area. A cardboard tube form is then used to pour a solid, reinforced concrete column. Finally, a steel anchor or embed plate is cast into the top, creating an unbreakable connection point for your container. This system doesn't fight the ground, it works with it, providing the stable, immovable base your container was designed to sit on. So let's review. The cheap block foundation is a lie that guarantees uneven sinking and structural damage. The professional Pier foundation, with its wide footing and solid column, is the only way to ensure a stable, lifetime home. Your foundation is the single most important part of your build. Do not let a tempting shortcut here become the catastrophic failure of your entire project.
If you need professional, easy-to-follow plans for this specific Pier foundation type, check the description for the blueprints we trust. We've also gathered all the essential tools and safety gear used in this build, from laser levels to rebar, on our official resource page. The link is below. Don't let this be your only step. Make sure you watch the full Builder's Rulebook playlist to get all the non-negotiable rules for your build. And remember, this is not a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a local structural engineer and follow all local building codes. Your safety is your responsibility.